Welcome to USA Alert Zone, your go-to source for urgent U.S. immigration updates. The citizenship crisis you didn't expect. In 2025, a quiet revolution is unfolding. If you're pregnant and in the U.S. on a tourist, student, or work visa, or if your partner isn't a citizen or green card holder, your child may no longer qualify for U.S. citizenship at birth. This isn't a theory, it's already happening. Trump's executive order, a new era for citizenship. On January 20th, 2025, his first day back in office, President Trump signed Executive Order 14,160, protecting the meaning and value of American citizenship. This executive action directs federal agencies to deny citizenship-related documents, including passports and birth certificates, to children born in the U.S., unless at least one parent is a U.S. citizen or lawful permanent resident who is impacted. Any child born after February 19th, 2025 may be affected if both parents are non-citizens and not green card holders. The mother is on a temporary visa, such as B1/B2, F1, H1B, or is undocumented. The father is also not a citizen or permanent resident. Even adoptive and surrogate parents are excluded due to the order's strict biological definition of mother and father legal shock waves. This policy reverses over a century of established legal precedent. According to the 14th Amendment and the 1898 Supreme Court case Wong Kim, Arkansas, anyone born in the U.S. is a citizen regardless of parental status. But Trump's legal team argues that those on temporary or unlawful status aren't fully under U.S. jurisdiction, a highly disputed legal stance. Court battles are underway. As expected, lawsuits followed. Judges issued temporary injunctions to block the order. The current case, Trump v. Casa, is now before the Supreme Court. But here's the twist. The court isn't deciding whether the policy is constitutional. It's only deciding whether lower courts can block the order nationwide. So, while implementation is paused for now, the risk is still very real. Pregnant and flying to the U.S. Think again, in 2025, being pregnant while trying to enter the U.S. has become a red flag. Under a separate DHS directive, immigration officers at U.S. embassies and ports of entry are being trained to identify and stop so-called birth tourism. Even though giving birth in the U.S. isn't illegal, intent matters. If they suspect you're coming just to give birth, they can deny your visa or entry, no proof required. Recent cases, a pregnant Nigerian woman applying for AB1/B2 visa in Lagos was denied immediately. Reason: suspected birth tourism. A visibly pregnant Pakistani woman was detained for 12 hours at JFK Airport and deported the next day after admitting she came for better health care. What border officers are watching for? Second or third trimester pregnancy. No strong ties to your home country, job, home, family. Travel to cities like Miami, NYC, or LA. No return ticket. No medical care plan in your home country. Pregnancy-related posts on your social media. You don't need to lie to get denied. Even nervous behavior or unclear answers can lead to rejection. Missteps that can lead to a ban. Saying you're just visiting but planning to give birth equals visa fraud. Dodging questions about your pregnancy equals deception. Both could lead to immediate deportation, 10-year visa ban, future green card, or visa denials. Countries most affected in 2025. Visa denials for pregnant women have surged in China, India, Pakistan, Russia, Turkey, Brazil, Venezuela, the Philippines. Even birth tourism agencies are being raided and shut down, especially in California and Florida. How to protect yourself whether you're pregnant or not, planning to visit the U.S. for non-birth reasons. Here's what to do. Show strong ties to your home country, job, property, family. Book a return ticket before your due date. Carry proof of prenatal care in your home country. Purchase travel insurance. Be calm, clear, and truthful with officers. Already in the U.S. and expecting? Keep records of both parents' immigration status. Apply for your baby's passport and social security number ASAP. Monitor the Supreme Court case closely. Talk to an immigration attorney today. Final thoughts. A turning point in U.S. citizenship policy. Since 1868, birthright citizenship has been automatic, but 2025 has changed everything. If your child is born after February 19th while you're on a temporary visa, they could end up in legal limbo with no clear path to citizenship. This isn't just one policy, it's a fundamental shift in how America defines who belongs. So stay informed, stay prepared, and don't wait for the law to change before you take action. In 2025, immigration enforcement is fast, aggressive, and unforgiving. If this video helped you or someone you love, hit like, subscribe, and tap the bell icon so you don't miss urgent updates from USA Alert Zone. See you in the next one. Stay safe and stay legal.